Kidneys are simple bean-shaped organs that are meant for removing toxic substances from the body, maintaining a mineral balance, and regulating blood pressure. So it is essential to keep them take a healthy diet that has vitamin B12, B6, and magnesium. Reduce sodium intake and drink a sufficient amount of water along with certain dietary modifications to ensure that they function well. Let us see some of the juices which can cleanse your kidney naturally. Orange juice. High blood pressure issue is prevented, which eliminates the chances of kidney problems. Also, it is a good source of antioxidants and vitamin C. Just 1 cup of this juice can provide 140% of the daily vitamin C in your body. Thus the toxic substances are removed from the body, protecting the liver. Recipe: take 3 to 5 small or 2 to 3 large oranges, peel them, and blend them with some water. Strain the pulp, and add a pinch of black salt for better taste. You can drink this once every day. Watermelon juice. Watermelon is an excellent way of hydrating and cleansing the kidney because it is a mild diuretic. Also, the lycopene enhances cardiovascular health besides maintaining proper functionality of the kidney. Urine's acidity is regulated because of the potassium content in watermelon. Recipe: take a large bowl of watermelon cubes, add it to the blender, and juice it without adding water. Once done, add a pinch of black salt to it and some lemon juice, for a perfect taste. You can have this refreshing drink every day. Cranberry juice. Cranberry has an ample amount of vitamin C that is best for removing toxins from the body. In the case of a urinary tract infection (UTI), also, drinking this juice prevents its recurrence. Thus the chances of kidney infection reduce. It also protects the kidney and liver cells from damage because of the proanthocyanidins in them that are strong antioxidants. Beet juice. Beets are veggies that are rich in antioxidants, potassium, and vitamin C. It keeps the blood pressure in check, which is essential for a healthy kidney. Also, inflammation of the liver is prevented by the regular intake of this juice. There is an increase in the enzymes that detoxify the liver. If you do not like only beetroot juice, mix it with apple or carrot for a better taste. Cruciferous vegetable juice. Broccoli, spinach, kale, and mustard greens are some of the cruciferous veggies that have a high amount of phytochemicals that are necessary for keeping the kidney healthy. Besides this, it also helps in reducing inflammation. A healthy person can try all the juice recipes we have enumerated in this video. But while preparing any juice, keep in mind that you should avoid sugar as much as possible, as this is quite harmful. Also, you can try to avoid removing fiber from some juices if possible because they prevent spikes in blood glucose levels and also aid in better bowel movements.